Good morning, students. Welcome to the virtual class of Bharat Education Society's Kartika High School and Junior College Kurla West. For the lesson number 9, more about formulas, part 2, standard 6th subject computer. Student, myself Mr. Vijay Nikam, your computer teacher. But before going further, students, let us revise the last session. In the last session, we learned the if function. We learned the if function with example, then the and function with example, and the or function with examples. And we have executed those examples as well. So let's go further. Function library. Function library is a collection of different functions available in Formula tab. To invoke library function, these are the steps. Click Insert Function button, then select the category and the function you want to use. Click on OK button. Fill the arguments in the argument boxes. Click OK button. This is the argument boxes. Example, use the date function from date and time category for showing the date. Students, let us see the same example in actual demonstration. Function library. Function library is a collection of different functions available in Formula tab. This is the Formula tab, is Microsoft Office Excel 2007. Click on this to invoke function library. Click on this button, Insert Function button. Once you click on it, Insert Function dialog box will appear. So from this Insert Function dialog box, we are going to take date function. So type date in search box and click on go. See, as you click on that go button, in select a function window, in select function window, date function is appeared. Select the date function and click on OK button. Again, as you click on that OK button, function arguments window will appear. In this window, you have the arguments, different arguments of the selected function you can get. So for date function, there are 3 arguments: year, month and day. Suppose for example, here in the selected cell I am entering current date, today's date. So today's date is 20th of March 2021. So in year argument, here I type 2021 year. In month, here I type this is the month of March, means 3rd month. So type here 03. And day, today's date is 20th 20. Okay, as like you can enter the different values for different arguments. And finally click on OK. As you click on the OK button, students, you can see in the selected cell the today's date is appeared. This is how you can use the function library of Excel, and you can invoke it by clicking on this Insert Function button. Generate a series. Excel organizes many series from single cell, such as days of week, but you must define 2 adjacent cells of numbers like given in the diagram. Along with it, generating a number series. There is an easy way of generating a number series automatically instead of typing the numbers for each cell. Follow the steps given below. Type the first 2 numbers of the series in 2 adjacent cells. Select both the cells Move the cursor to the right hand bottom side of the cell. Here you will get a thin plus mark. You will get a thin plus mark. This is called the fill handle. Click on the fill handle mark and drag it to the required cell number. The numbers will be generated serially. So students, let us see and execute the same example in demonstration. Let's see generate series. So here in this example we are generating numbers in series. So students, initially I have selected this A1 cell. In this A1 cell I type number 1 and below to that I type number 2 because here I want to generate series of numbers. So in these two cells I have typed number 1 and 2. So I will select both these cells. Once you have selected these two adjacent cells, see in the selection area at bottom right corner you can see a small square. This small square is called fill handle. If you move your mouse cursor over this fill handle, your mouse cursor changes to thin plus button. Then hold your left mouse click button and drag your mouse downwards. See, you can see the next numbers appear automatically. If suppose I want to create a series of number 10, first 10 numbers, so I will drag downwards till number 10 appears. As I see the number 10, I will release the left mouse click button. So in this way I get the series of numbers from 1 to 10. Let's see generating names of the days and months. Using the above steps, names of days and names of months can also be generated. Instead of the numbers, type the name of the month or day of the week and press enter key. Now select the cell where you have typed the name. Move the cursor to the bottom right side of the cell. The cursor turns to this thin plus sign. Click and drag the mouse in any direction till the required cell number is seen and then release it. The selected cell range fill with the same names of days or months. This is how, but before we will see the same example in live demonstration. Now let us see how to generate the series of days. Select any cell first of all. As usual I select cell A1. So here I want to generate series of days. So our first day in calendar, first day comes in calendar is Sunday. So here I type Sunday. In the selected cell I am typing a day Sunday. Select the cell. See to it your cell is selected, and the same way at bottom right corner you have this fill handle. Hold the fill handle by holding left mouse click button and drag it downwards. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. The next days come up as you drag your mouse cursor downwards. Then release the mouse, release the left click of your mouse and see the series. Same way we can create the series for months also. So select another cell. Here I am selecting cell C1. Enter the name of first month of our calendar, January. Enter. Select the cell January. Drag the fill handle same way as we dragged earlier. Hold left mouse click button and drag it downwards. See, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. Again I select two adjacent cell and drag the fill handle March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. As you see, December comes up in the list. Release the left mouse click button and see the list of month is generated. That's all for this session, students. We will meet in the next video soon. Till then, goodbye, thank you, and take care.